Hey guys, quick question. How much traffic does your website get every month? How many of those website visitors actually do something like buy, call, or fill out a form? If you're like most businesses, you're getting traffic but not real results. And before you go on to spend more money on ads or SEO, we need to talk about CRO, conversion rate optimization. Today, I'm breaking down what CRO actually is, why it matters more than your website traffic, and the specific things you can fix this week to start converting more visitors. Let's get into it. So CRO stands for conversion rate optimization. It's a fancy term for a very simple idea, getting more people who visit your site to actually do what you want them to do. Let's say you get 1,000 visitors and 20 people fill out your contact form. That's a 2% conversion rate. Now let's talk about why CRO matters more than traffic. If you double your traffic, you double your ad spend or SEO effort. That's very expensive and it's slow. But if you double your conversion rate, you just doubled your results without spending another dollar on traffic. That's the power of CRO. You're making your existing traffic work harder for you. And unlike SEO, where you're waiting months for results, CRO changes can impact your business this week. So how do you actually improve conversion rates? It comes down to 3 things. Number 1, make it obvious what you want people to do. Take a look at the site. What am I supposed to do here? Read a blog, call, buy? No idea. Now look at this one. There's one clear action. Get a free quote. That's what we want. Number 2, remove friction. Every extra field on your form, you lose people. Every extra click, you lose people. Forms that ask for your life story before you can get a quote are far worse than forms that ask for the bare minimum. Number 3, you need to build trust signals. People need to know you're legit before they give you their email or credit card. Reviews, client logos, money back guarantees, security badges, these all tell visitors that it's safe to convert on your site. Those 3 things, clarity, simplicity, and trust, fix 80% of conversion problems. Let's talk about your call to action or CTA. This is the button or link that tells people what to do on your website. Submit is boring. Click here, vague. If you compare those to CTAs like get my free quote, start my 14-day trial, download the checklist, there's a difference. These CTAs tell you exactly what happens when you click. And here's something most people miss. Your CTA needs to be visible the second someone lands on your page. If someone has to scroll to find your button, half your visitors will never see it. Put a clear, benefit-driven CTA above the fold, always, and use contrast. If your site is blue, make your button orange or yellow. Make it physically impossible to miss for visitors. Next up are forms. Every field that you add to a form drops your conversion rate by about 10%. So if you have a 10-field form and you cut it down to 5 fields, you'll see a 50% increase in completions immediately. Let's talk about what not to do. This form wants everything up front. Here's what works. Name, email, phone. That's it for first contact. You can get the rest later. And here's a pro tip. Use multi-step forms for longer processes. Instead of one massive form, break it up into steps with a progress bar. Step 1 should be something like tell us about your project. Step 2 should be your contact info. Step 3, a preferred timeline. People are way more likely to complete a form like this because it feels less overwhelming. Also, you should label your fields clearly. Use inline validation so people know if they've made a mistake. Make your submit button say something better than submit. Say something like get started, claim my spot, send my quote, phrases like that, way better. Now, if you're running ads or email campaigns, you need dedicated landing pages. Here's what I mean. Someone clicks on your ad for kitchen remodeling in Austin and lands on a generic homepage. That's a total waste of that click. They have to figure out where to go, what to do, if you're a company that's even based in Austin. But if they land on a page specifically about kitchen remodeling in Austin, with a form right there, that's what converts. Here's what every landing page needs. One clear headline that matches your ad or email. If your ad says free kitchen estimate, your headline should say get your free kitchen estimate. You need to keep message match really tight. Next, you need a strong hero image or video. People process images 60,000 times faster than text. Show the transformation or the result. And bullet points, not paragraphs, explaining your offer. You need social proof, reviews, testimonials, logos of the companies you've worked with, and remove your navigation menu from this page. I know that sounds crazy, but navigation is an exit door. Landing pages should have one path that's very clear. You convert or you leave. Okay, here's where a lot of people go wrong. They make changes and they hope it works. CRO isn't about guessing, it's testing. A/B testing means you show a version A to half your visitors and a version B to the other half. Then see which one converts better. Test one thing at a time. Don't change your headline and your button color and your form length all at once. You won't know what actually made the difference for your audience. You should start testing in an order like this. Your headline, then your CTA button text and color, your form length, your hero image, and your trust signals. Those have the biggest impact. And then you need actual traffic for testing to work. If you're getting 50 visitors a week, A/B testing won't give you real meaningful data. You need at least a few hundred conversions before results are statistically significant. If you don't have that traffic just yet, implement best practices and then test it later. You can use tools like Google Optimize, VWO, or Optimizely. They make testing really straightforward. Let me give you 5 things you can fix this week that'll move the needle immediately. 1, add your phone number to the top right of every single page on your website. Make it clickable on mobile so that if people want to call, it's super easy. 2, add live chat. Even if it's just you on your phone, being able to ask questions instantly increases conversions by 20 to 30%. 3, add exit intent pop-ups. When someone's about to leave, offer them something like a discount, a guide, or a consultation. You can recover your lost visitors. Number 4, speed up your site. If your page takes more than 3 seconds to load, 40% of people will bounce. Run a speed test and fix the biggest issues ASAP. 5, add urgency to your site. Something like limited spots available this month, or sale ends Friday, or only 3 slots left. Phrases like these create motivation to act now instead of later. Pick 2 or 3 of these that we just ran through and implement them this week. You will see results. All right, that's conversion rate optimization in under 10 minutes. Remember, more traffic is great, but converting the traffic you already have is faster, cheaper, and often much more impactful. You need to focus on clarity, simplicity, and trust, and make it obvious what people should do. Make it easy to do it, and prove you're worth their time. If you want help implementing any of this, that's literally what we do at imFORZA. Our link to our website is in the description. Hit subscribe for more marketing tutorials like this. Drop questions in the comments. I read all of them. Thanks for watching. Now go fix that website.